Hey Team DMS, it's the Master Stylist and I am back with another video. If you are new here, I post hair content, fashion, a little bit of fashion, beauty, and I vlog. So if that's something that you're interested in, then stay tuned for the rest of this video and be sure to hit the like and subscribe so you can be up to date on when I upload in the future. So my client has not been to me in over a year. Um, I want to say, I don't know exactly how long it's been, but it's been about a year. And she wants to get her hair cut back off. I love that she doesn't do the traditional, like, flat style. She likes volume in her hair. So we are doing a disconnected cut where the sides are a little longer. Where her sides are going to be a lot shorter than her top. She will be getting a relaxer as well. She says she hasn't had a relaxer in a while. Although the ends do look straight, you guys will see once I start relaxing it, what her hair does. This clipper that I'm using is a Babyliss Pro, and it's like a FX3. I got it on sale at Cosmoprof. Can't remember how much it was. I've had it for a little while, and I actually like it. The one thing I don't like about it is the fact that my half-inch guard broke, and I can't seem to find a guard to fit it. So I have to buy the entire pack just to get that one guard. So that kind of sucks. But other than that, I actually love the clipper. Now I'm doing like I said before, a disconnected cut, and she is getting a good amount clipped off. She usually gets her hair pretty short, but today we're gonna do something a little bit longer in the top just to let her keep some of her length, but she doesn't want too much. Now, I actually love doing disconnected cuts because it seems now that everybody is getting like the curls and the waves with the um, cut that's pretty much like the same length all over. And I'm kind of just tired of doing that cut. This is a cut. Well, all of them are cuts that you can wear when your hair isn't done, but I love the way this cut in particular looks when the hair isn't curled. It just looks so funky. So I'm using the Naked by Stations No Lie Relaxer on her, and I did mix it to resistant. And I'm just, if you can see, I'm just not putting the relaxer on her scalp initially. We are putting it about a quarter inch away from the scalp. Um, and I did speed the video up, so, I'm just not sitting here doing the relaxer. Although for me, watching people like relax and curl hair is just so soothing to me. Like I literally can watch videos like that all day with no problem. But for the sake of time and, boredom, I'm not going to do that. Now, I know I get people in the comments that say, oh, you're not supposed to comb relaxer through. They taught us in school. Well, this is not school, okay? Let's get that clear. A lot of things that I do on my channel are not what you learn in school. So if you are coming here to learn some techniques or whatever for the sake of passing your state board, then I advise you to not watch me at all. I love combing the relaxer through. It just allows the hair to get straighter. For me, I don't really put relaxer on with brushes. I like to use this brush, which is like a spatula in a brush shape, because it doesn't scratch the scalp. And then once I go back, I do like to comb the relaxer through, but I'm not combing her scalp. I'm only combing the hair. The video is sped up, so it's probably kind of hard to see that. But trust me, I'm only combing her hair. Her scalp is not being irritated at all. And if you can see when I part, the relaxer still isn't directly on the scalp. Now, will it get on the scalp? Absolutely, but I'm not intentionally just slapping it on her scalp.
Me twice.
Team DMS.
So she has been shampooed, blow dryer, and I did go back in and just tweak the cut. So now I am going in with a water bottle so I can rehydrate the hair and get it ready for the mold. So of course the foam wrap I'm using is Main Life Collection Main Mint Foam. I love the mint, but you can get the coconut as well. And there is also a travel size for when you're on the go. And, I'm learning to be a carry on girl. So I do take my travel size foam wrap with me. And it has been a lifesaver when I am traveling. Trust and believe. So I'm doing my normal finger wave technique, not really connecting them, but kind of connecting them a little bit. Sometimes I will totally disconnect them, and it just honestly depends on how I'm feeling. I love that she doesn't have the back lined up because I think the back is just so sexy when you don't have that like line in the back. I know for some people it works better for them, but those who don't require it, girl, I love you because it just does something. Now, when it comes to foam wrap, I am very, very heavy-handed, and I probably waste a lot of foam just because I use so much and it's really not needed. But I don't know. I feel like it kind of is, and I don't mind. Like, if you in the salon with me, you will see how much foam I like have on the back of my hand, or I'm wiping off on the towel because it's just too much. Her today, it wasn't too bad, but sometimes it just can get really, really crazy. And I don't know. I'm not mad about it at all. So I'm just going back and checking her hairline and making sure everything is great. Once I get to the top, I do like to kind of swoop it over so that we are kind of covering up that line, covering up those parts so the hair will just kind of lay better. And then when I get ready to curl it, I'm not trying to cover up parts because I already did that with the mold because we know hair has memory. So whatever you do to it, that's how it's going to stay. So she has sat under the dryer. She is dry, and I am using my favorite flat iron. It is linked in my Amazon storefront under Hot Tools. I have a list of all of the Hot Tools blow dryers, flat irons, pressing combs, all of the hot tools that I like to use. I have those linked in my Amazon storefront. Be sure to check those out. And yes, I do get a small commission, but there is no charge to you. As far as Main Life Collection products, they are on Amazon as well. And you can get them at mainlifestudio.com. Currently, they are sold out everywhere, but we do have a shipment coming in hopefully very soon. I did order, but my manufacturer sometimes can be a little slow. It is made in the USA, so this is not coming from China. Okay, this is no Alibaba or none of that stuff like that. This is coming from the US of the A. Okay.
Team DMS.
The flat iron that I was using on the sides was a 3/10 flat iron. This particular flat iron is a half inch and it sells out pretty quick on Amazon. It's linked under Hot Tools as well. You can check, oh, excuse me, you can check that out. I will link it here on on YouTube Shopping if it's available, but it's always, like I said, it's always sold out. Anytime I post this fat iron, it literally sells out like almost immediately. But be sure to check that out. And if it is sold out, just heart it on Amazon and they will just notify you when it is restocked. When I get to the top, I am literally just curling the hair in different kind of waves, different kind of wave, not waves, in different motions, not just all in the same motion. And I did spray some Nairobi Sheer Shine on there. And I'm just taking my fingers and picking it out, so it's just not like, super, super neat and stuck to the head. And this is the look. Like, this is my girl. It looks very good. Very good. I be living vicariously through y'all because y'all know my hair thin and I can't do it. But if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to be notified, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.